Hello everyone, in this video we people are going to discuss about switch case statement. Now, what do you mean by switch? Switch is a statement, is a multiple or multi-way branching decision statement. It is one type of conditional statement. Here we people consider multiple branching. It means the result of this particular statement is depend upon the number of cases are available under your switch statement. When we people are using a nested if statement to check more than one condition, then the complexity of program is going to increases. Then in that condition, to maintain these uh, to maintain the program simplest one, we people are using switch case statement. It is a SEP method and best alternative to the nested if statement, because most of the time nested if statement are increase your complexity. Then as we consider the switch case statement, it check the value of an expression against the case value. Here we consider the some case value. With the help of that particular case value, some expressional value is going to check. If the condition is going to match, it means that that particular value and statement associated with that value is going to execute. Okay, then here a structure of switch statement is as follows: switch, then your expression. Here you can write your variable name, that is, if I declare integer a, so here I write as a. Then different types of values are associated with that variable, so here case and value of a. Then each and every statement are terminated by break. So we can consider that from case, your first case is going to start, then we write n number of statement under switch case, while we simply insert here break statement. After that, here we consider the another case statement. Then next case statement is associated with some other value. Then n number of statements are also available under the break statement, sorry, that particular statement, and these statements are terminated with the help of break condition. After that, once we consider the last, here my last statement is always default. So default tell to us it's the last condition. If when you pass some value with the help of switch, if that particular value cannot match with this case or this case, so ultimately your default case is going to execute. Then default case does not associate with break statement. This is too much important. Default case is does not associated with break statement. In this way, you people are creating the switch case. Then what we have to do, here we consider the switch statement. Then expressional values, here we declare one variable. We can use that particular variable. With the help of opening curly bracket, your switch statement is going to start. Then we consider the case value. Case value may be 1, 2 or any other symbol. After that, here case number 1, the statement, and this case is going to terminate with the help of break. Case number 2, then this is going to terminate by with the help of break statement. Then default case cannot associated with break statement. That is, some statements are associated with default, there is no break statement. Then here I consider one example, that is, I write here integer a. Then I can consider the expressional value as a. Then if I write one associated a message as a 1, 2 associated a message as a 2, while 3 is associated a message as a 3. So I consider these are the some values are associated with expression. Now Once I write switch A, then here you can put the value as 1, then 2, here is 3. If this is value 1, this is value 2, this is value 3, if this value as well as your input value are not going to match, then you simply jump on default condition. In this way you people execute switch case statement. Now we people explore this switch case statement with the help of an example. So I simply start my developer C++ application. Here I write one program with the help of C programming language. So initially I write here one header file that is hash include stdio.h. Now here I write integer main opening curly bracket then closing curly bracket. Then here we consider the switch case statement. Here I assume one example, that is here I write integer number, then here I write one message that is printf enter any value from 1 to 3. Okay, then slash n. Then we can enter the value with the help of scanf statement, that is %d inside the double quotation mark. Here I write %d comma then value of n0. Now we people are using multi-way conditional statement with the help of switch. Then here I pass my value of n0. After that, each and every switch statement is start with opening curly bracket and end with closing curly bracket. Then here I write case number 1, means value of n0 it is equal to 1. Then we simply print a message it is 1. Okay, here I write slash n, it is 1. Now semicolon. Each and every statement are terminated by break. It is not compulsory to write break, but if you want to distinguish each and every case, then you people write as a break. Now what I do, I can write second case, so I copy this and paste it, then copy this and paste it. Now here is my case number 2, here is my case number 3. So it is TWO2, while this is 3. So here I write message it is 3. Now my conditions are over. If the input value is not matched with 1 or 2 or 3, then we people are using the default case. So I write here message printf invalid number. Okay, I entered invalid number. If it is not equal to 1, it is not equal to 2, it is not equal to 3, then your computer shows a message it is invalid number. Now my program is over. I simply save my program and run it. So save with the help of name switch example. So switch example dot c with the help of dot c extension I can simply save this. Then click on compile, check any error is available. So there is no error. Then we can run this. Enter any value from 1 to 3. So I enter 1, it is 1. Okay, again I run this. Enter any value from 1 to 3, it is 3, correct. Enter any value from 1 to 3, but I enter here as a 5, then invalid number means this program accept only value from 1 to 3. Rather than this, if you can enter, then it can directly consider your default condition. Okay, in this way you people are writing the switch statement with the help of C programming language. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.